nagpapakitaan ng inner child is someone that they kind of love the most. Oo. You don't show that to everybody. 'Di ba? Parang, and sometimes the person who notices that is that special person. Yun lang naman. Gusto ko lang naman sabihin. Huwag kang matense, Donnie. Natetense na si Donnie eh.
Saan nyo nabasa
Hindi,
yan?
hindi ako nakikinig lang. Ikaw ba, you show your inner child to just anybody randomly?
I think it's pretty common naman for us to like show our our inner child to anyone we're
Di ba?
Yes,
People you're
comfortable
close
with.
with,
Yes.
people you love. Di ba? Di ba, Donnie, no?
Sa'yo, it wasn't in our scene or anything. It was when I saw you sa Incognito.
Ay, wow.
Kasi nakita ko kung gaano ka kagaling. Siguro ibang klaseng kilig to. And we also watched it here.
Kilig with matching super proud.
Oo, ganun po, ganun po. We watched it here before anyone else. I wanted to see also kung ano yung... Kasi wala siyang sinabi sa akin. Sabi niya, basta panoorin mo lang. And I remember, di ba, yung itsura mo dun, nung nagtitake kayo, tapos sabi mo, gaganyan ka ni Eruption, sabi ko, okay, tignan nga natin kung ano yung magiging kalabasan nun. So, pinanood namin dito, sobrang galing mo. And siguro dun, when I see that she does something very different, and when people see that of her, kinikilig din ako. Kasi nakita ko kung gaano siya, kung gaano kalaki yung binigay niya for that. Yeah.
I can sense that sincerity, ha? Kasi
Correct.
usually nga, kapag magkasama na kayo lagi, tama